gonna go find. I'm gonna go.
Thank you.
Good job, man. That's up there. All right, let's go find the car.
Congratulations.
Let's stay in pit road because Ryan Reid is working hard to get reaction elsewhere. Actually, let's stay with Jamie because now Laurence Vantel, who shares the same set of Porsche.
Making me feel like I'm doing nothing.
I'm so tired, Mike.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to get it rolling in? Like, where do you want?
They're gonna bring the cars in. We just gotta pay attention.
Should I get it coming in? Or?
Yeah, good idea. Good idea. I can't even think.
No words so far.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I've been wanting to win this race so long and I've been close so many times.
Yeah, it will take some time to sink, but the team, they did a make it so. We were not the fastest car, but we did the right step. We still were here, and then. Anyone in particular you want to name? Oh, that's your main answer. Champion in the Rolex 24 this year in LMP2.
Yeah, and as he wipes away the tears, he'll go straight into the next race. Motorsports equals win on track.
Crazy bastard!
See the crew yet?
She's in the background for Porsche and for the second crew.
Yeah!
Hey jongen!
Take a hold, please. Take a hold. Take a hold.
Here we go with them.
I love it. It'd be nice to get a shot. Yeah, I just
Yeah.
I'm from Chris and
Dennis fucking Olsen.
Yes! Congratulations. Thank you, man. Congrats, boys. Fucking great job.
Okay, ready? Look at that. I know it's bright. Ready? 3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Good. Thank you.
You good on this covers?
Okay, let's go to the podium.
We'll get you some in there.
Yeah, there's water and beer inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beer?
You want me
Yeah,
to
perfect.
Yeah.
Congrats, man. Congrats.
But I'm not 20 yet. He's 19.